Hey, here's my review of the Black and Decker cordless dustbuster. So here it is. It's quite a sturdy machine. You can actually see inside all the stuff that you've already picked up. And the end here has two different settings. There's in and out. So this is adjustable, allowing you to get into some corners a little bit better. Now, to actually operate the dustbuster, you just have to push the power button. And I have to say it works quite well in terms of its sucking power. One thing to note is that you have to hold the power button down when you want to use it. So it's not like click in, click out, but it's actually a hold down, as you can see. Now, this thing also comes with a little brush attachment, which goes right here. And that just is very easy to plug in or pull out if you don't want to use it. And it also comes with this nifty charger. And so the back of the dustbuster has a hole and it just simply goes in there. So whether you're sitting it flat like that on a kitchen sink, or if this is on a wall, it's very easy to hang up the dustbuster, and it's actually super convenient as well. Another thing with this is it's very easy to unload all of the junk that you dust bust. So you have to push this button here, it breaks apart, you set that aside. Then you've got a filter right here, which you can see comes easily out, and you simply dump all the stuff into the trash, and then you're good to go. Pop it back in, and you're dust busting. In terms of the amount of time that this thing works for, I've been able to use it for quite a while on a charge, so it's really not a big deal, and it works just as planned. So when my kids spill something, very easy to go clean it up, or better yet, give this to the kid and let them do the cleaning for you. So I highly recommend the Dustbuster by Black and Decker.